over semis like AMD as well as NVIDIA yesterday, but I actually left out Intel. Intel is sort of the same situation with a lot of these other types of companies like AMD and NVIDIA, except for from a technical standpoint, it's not nearly as overextended. On the daily, we are getting to that point with the RSI, but we still are not as crazy as a lot of these, other semiconductor companies. Now, the best time to get into Intel would have been down here once we got this bullish close over the 5 around 26.36, and looking like we could have got this run up. To be honest, I would be waiting. We've been trading within this channel for a bit now, basically since November. Big resistance point up here, high confluence area. This was a resistance level months before, plus a 200 SMA. So for me, I'd be waiting to see if we reject, potentially coming down and entering Intel somewhere around 28 bucks, setting a tight stop loss here, and then maybe a potential take profit up here. And this would give you a very solid 5 RVR.